Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified unit. It's got 38,000 miles on it. It's got a one owner on the Carfax. Okay, alabaster silver in color. Go ahead and give you the walk around. Down the driver's side, everything looks really good. Small little scuff right here. The back bumper, really minor. Alright, it is equipped with rear camera. Passenger side of the vehicle looks good. Maybe just a small little chip in the paint. Let's see, let me give you an angle on there where you can see it. There you go. It's been covered over, painted over. Alright, once again, 2015 Honda Civic LX certified unit, 38,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Black on black door panels, black cloth. Right, driver's side looks good. Okay, it does come with 2 key fobs. Passenger seat's in good shape. It is an automatic. It's got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Climate control, AM, FM, CD. Alright, then up here is where your backup camera is going to be located, and I'll show you that in a second. Steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage there. We got 38,211 miles. Alright, got your AM, FM stereo there. Alright, we've got the AC on now for about 10 minutes, everything blowing cold there. Go ahead and give you the shot of the backup camera. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat cloth looks good. No issues whatsoever. This vehicle's been well taken care of. Alright, even the carpet down here looks good. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view here. The layout of the Civic. Okay. That's good. Let's check out your trunk space. Alright, cloth back here looks good. I'm going to kind of step to the side so you can see the depth. Alright, plenty of room back there. Let's go ahead and give you another shot of the back seat from this side here. Everything looks good. And your front passenger seat. Wheels and tires, 15-inch steel wheels, the nice hubcaps on there, brand new set of tires. All right, once again guys, so 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified unit, 38,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.